Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up private safe on the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro for maximum privacy. So, if you want to hide something on your device and you don't want to transfer it to any other device, like your second device or somewhere, then the private safe is definitely for you. You can use unlimited storage here, so every megabyte that your phone has, you can use it on the private safe. Now, how you guys enable it? We need to go over to the settings, and in the settings, we need to scroll a bit down until we see the security and privacy. Now, let's ignore it. Click on dismiss, and here we need to scroll down until we see these special features. Here we have the private safe, and we need to set a privacy password first. So you guys can enter the 6 digits or use a different password type like 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern, or alphanumeric. I always go for 6 digits. It's safer than the 4 digits. You guys can also go for 4 to 16 and use like 8 of 10. So 8 or 10 will definitely be better, but if you don't want a long password, then 6 digits is for you. Now here you need to create a password that nobody will know about, and I'll put 1 2 3 4 5 6, but as you guys can see, we have a notification that this password is too common and it asks us if we want to use it anyway, and I'll use it, but remember, do not use the same password as me. It's very unsafe. And now we'll just confirm your private password. Here we can add the recovery email, linked account, or the question. So this is like the security question. For an example, the name of our high school, father's or mother's name, or our favorite restaurant. So for an example, favorite restaurant, we'll go over and just say, for an example, KFC. Clicked on, and now we are in a private safe. As you guys can see, here we have the images and videos, the audio, documents, and other files. Also, the recently deleted is here, and as you guys can see, you guys can add something here. For an example, I'll add this right here and 2 more screenshots. Click set as private, and now file encryption is complete. It's right here in the private safe. For the audio, if you have something, then you will definitely be able to add it, but I don't. For the documents, you can just click on that and add a document that you have on your device. As you guys can see, I have no files in the private safe, and I also do not have any files not on the private safe, so on my phone. Now for other files, I also do not have it. The only file I have is some images, and as you guys can see, we can, let's say, delete this one. So we're gonna delete it, and now we can find it in the recently deleted folder and the weight of the screenshot, so it's 80 kilobytes. Now this item will be deleted in 30 days. Now if you do not put it out of the trash in 30 days, then you will not be able to get it back. So now you can just leave the private safe. As you guys can see, now you have to enter the privacy password for it. And here we have everything that we put. So this is how to easily set up the private safe on your OPPO. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.